Hi, I'm Jen Long, Creative Director at Sizzix, and I'm here to give you a sneak peek of our David Tutera inspired Mega Flower Bundle that will be featured on HSN on Wednesday, July 11th. So let's take a look at all that's included. First up, we have a stamp framelit set. So this is the stamp set that comes with the bundle, and it's matched with these framelits that register and cut out paper around your stamped image. So this allows you to make three-dimensional flowers, perfect for card making, and I have an example right over here. So you can see that we've stamped in this magenta ink on our petals, and then we've cut out with our die all three petals at one time, and we've just simply layered those on top of each other, and now you get this beautiful three-dimensional flower that pops up off of your card base. We also have this inside stamen piece and some supporting leaf shapes. So really a beautiful flower set. Next up, we have a stamped framelit set that features a beautiful label with some sentiments and some framelits that again fit right around your stamp shape, but these have some bonus Thinlits included, which gives you a lot of different options. So let's take a look at how those come together. I have this card example right here. Now we've used that Thinlit shape and we've used the bonus one to create all these little detail pieces right along the edge of that label shape. And if you look down here, these little corner dies have been fit inside the framelit dies to give you that additional embellished image to help pop up your corners. A lot of options on this one. And last up, we have our sentiments and fan Thinlit set. So these dies give you the ability to make two different sizes of fans, and we have some bonus Thinlit shapes of sentiments and leaves and one little label. So I do have a project right here. This is how the fan turns out. Look how cute that is on this jar, or it could even be on a card front. And then here is our label shape with one of the sentiments' birthday wishes. Altogether, a ton of value and creative options in the Mega Flower Bundle inspired by David Tutera. Don't miss us on HSN Wednesday, July 11th.